Okay, today is day number 6 on our batch of prison hooch that is going to taste delicious because I was fortunate enough to have the right stuff. I should also mention that typically in the United States you have to be 21 to consume alcohol. So this video is for educational purposes only. And not intended for minors to make home brew or anything like that. But we're going to taste it now without filtering or anything like that. Looks like it's still cooking just a little bit. You can take it, and if you make it cold, it will stop it from cooking. There's a look at it. You don't really see any bubbles. I think we're going to find our alcohol content will be above 12. Oh, wow. Whoa. Which it most definitely is. If the sugar is all eaten up in it, so if I were to let it go any longer, it will eventually turn to vinegar. And I would say it's probably at 14% right now. So we made a good batch. What we'll do is strain this and put it in the refrigerator overnight to get it to stop cooking, because the cold will stop it from cooking. And there you have it. We made prison hooch with no yeast. We made a kicker with oranges and sugar, let it set for 3 days until it started bubbling. Then basically we added a half a gallon of pineapple juice and 4 cups of brown sugar. Dumped the kicker in and let it set for 6 to 7 days during the summertime at just about 100 feet below sea level. So there you have it, folks. Enjoy.